Welcome to another installment of OpenDB Tutor. Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore and recover table space. Um, Table spaces were basically if you had, let's say you had multiple data files that were part of that table space and they were lost. Basically that means that you would have to you would not be restoring individual data files. You would be you'd be restoring the table space itself, which would include those data files that were lost. So the first thing that I did is I'm actually going to select name, file, number, status from the data file. I currently have 6 data files, and basically I created this additional one, the user 01B database file. So how I did that was I ran the author table space add data file author table space users add data file. Okay, and if you guys can see, I have I have 3 users on data files now for the users table space. What I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna run the I don't know what the data file has. I'm going to run I'm going to describe user underscore table spaces. I'm going to run select table space name, comma, status, and then I think it should be enough. User underscore table spaces where table space name is equal to users. No selected. Okay. Okay. So basically what I did is the perfect trick to always make sure that you, when you're using the word clause, is to have the value and is to basically use the upper function. So when you use upper, it's gonna you're bound to get the right you're bound to have input the right value, the right data. Because like before, what I had was I just had users, and he could be the users could be in capital letters or they could not. So that's the reason why Oracle did not return any value. When you use upper, basically Oracle is going to standardize all of the table space name as upper, and so you're bound to get your results. And so what I also needed to get was not content, but you know what? This is what I needed. Okay, that's fine. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to issue shut down. Immediate. Shut down immediate. And then when the database is shut down, I'm going to get rid of these three database files for the user's table space. Okay, database is shut down. So I'm going to issue the command del users. Okay. Yeah, just make sure they're all gone. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to include Alman just in case. I'm gonna leave Alman just alone for now. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to restore the I'm gonna restore the table space to a what do you call it? To an online status. So what I'm gonna issue is the startup command. Okay. So okay, I'm missing not just this file, but I'm missing a number of other files. So I'm gonna try this command. Just select. That's when you can't query it. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to select name, read out that is fine. Okay. They're all online. Okay. And we know for a fact that these files are gone. The users data files are gone. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to issue Allman, and then I'm going to have a one block, and I'm going to issue restore table space users. Just so you know, it might not work. It might work with users. Equal. Database open. Let's see if this is gonna work. There you go. And you wasn't connected. Okay. Oh man. Connect. Later. Okay. Again, what was that command again? One block. Restore table space. This is what I'm going to do. Users. Recover to the space. Users. And then SQL. After there is open. I'm going to transition from users. Okay. There you go. So basically, I have just restored um, the table space, and I've opened the database at the end. So do make sure to just type out table space and then the table space name, and no single quotation like I had before. And what I'm gonna do now is I am going to let me see what this command. Okay, as you can see, all of the data files are back. Users 01 and users 02 are back. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect SysDBA, and then I'm going to I need to make sure that I do have my data files, so I'm going to issue the select and file confusing. Oh, okay, there you go. So the data files are definitely back, and pretty much the only time that it showed that it was gone was when I ran this the directory command on my own command prompt. The SQL Plus environment or the SQL Plus application always had basically information on all those data files, the user data files, so that was never any issue. But the only time that I knew that something was wrong was when basically I tried to issue the startup command, and my and I received this over error where basically data files were not available or cannot be identified. So that's how you would restore a table space, restore and recover a table space, and not have to go do restore and recover individual data files. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.